Good morning and welcome to Oh She Did. I'm Rochelle and I help you get your business online. Today I have a quick video for you. I want to show you how to edit social media posts. And the reason I'm answering this question is because a couple of my clients have asked me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen. One moment. This one. Out the way. All right. So now we are sharing my screen for you. And this is my Facebook page. So first we'll have a look at what to do when you want to change something in your Facebook post. So it's International Women's Day when I'm recording this. So here's an example of something I posted. I actually use a tool called Metrical. I'll put a link below. And I use that to schedule all my posts in advance, which saves me so much time, especially as I do socials for clients as well. There's also a post I've done about batching your content and scheduling by Metrical. So I'll put a link to that as well. So in Facebook, on the post, these three dots on the right-hand side, if you go there and go edit post, it will open the post and you'll be able to edit it. So let's put another hashtag, International Women's Day. Oops. Perhaps International Women's Day 2023. All right. And then you just save the post at the bottom. All right, now let's have a look at Instagram. Go to my page. And if I want to do the same on this post, so I go, sorry, let me show you how to do that again. On the right-hand side, in the top right-hand corner, it's the three dots again, and we go edit. Now, scroll down here. As you'll see, I spelt that incorrectly. So we might just put International Women's Day 2023. There we go. And at the top right-hand side, you press done. So that's the two main platforms and how you, we'll just stop sharing the screen, and that's how you edit your posts. So if you've got any more questions that you need answered, I'm happy to answer them, but I'll do them in a video form because then other people can have the answers too and they don't feel that their question's silly. So any question, let me know. Good to see you. Bye-bye.